Hello everyone. So let's take a look what's happening in my bench, and it's a lot. So I doing at the moment, day by day, this one. I just put here the fence that I painted, and the vehicle it's going. Okay, now it's going to have lots of weathering on this, and these other pieces from me from my farm, another piece of resin. It's going to be here with some posters I have for that. So Vecna, it's right here. Okay, and next Monday it's going to come out more painting work on this. Besides of that, I am doing this one, and I start making the first parts of the weathering, the chipping. Okay, and for me I think it's going nice. I use the all these decals on this, and let's see how it goes at the end. Okay, more. Here it is, the airplane I'm doing on the patron. Okay, the MCAT, it's the MK2. Here is this devil. I love this one. I start doing this on torrent in Valencia, and now I have here some news. Let me just put this aside and let's show. I'm very clumsy sometimes, and I broke one of the parts of the guard of the sword. Okay, it's going to be, whoops, right there. Okay, but I can glue without any problem. So this is shown in 75 millimeters. It's going to be for another diorama. And the news I got here, these ones. Let's see if you guys like it. I like a lot of these figures. They are from Grimoire, and I have here on my store to sell. My wife is going to put on the website tomorrow. And another one, this one, and you can see it's a little intense. Got here the heads, and I think they are really nice. I got this one, guys. Take a look of this one with the base. So I think it's really awesome. And this one, it's in the flower, and you can see here out the figure, it's going in there. The details are really awesome. I don't have here with me the 0, I got on the other side, and I'm doing the 02 and the new Puma from AK. So I'm going to release the review video Monday too. So guys, be expect. So this is the things I am doing at my bench, and just you for, and you can see it's all over. And I must clean this, but it's the way I work. The M16, it's right there. I'm doing for the pattern too, and lots of things. And this one from Star Wars, I'm going to make 2 on Patreon, and you guys can see Ramon. If you are seeing, don't forget, we'll start doing this. And I got here the new figures, and I show next weekend. It's zombie figures I'm going to put right here on this one. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching, and I catch you up on the next video. And don't forget to go to my Facebook, and on my Patreon you can see the things I am doing. Okay, bye guys.